Popular television show Anupama is currently one of the most watched shows in the country. The serial at present enjoys the privilege of being the top ranked serials in India. With the highest TRP ratings, all credit goes to the massive fan base of the show. However, there have been many speculations and rumors about the lead actors Rupali Ganguly and Sudhanshu Pandey having issues with each other. Addressing the same, Anupama actor Sudhanshu Pandey has now finally broken his silence on the matter. In a conversation with News 18, Sudhanshu said, "My reaction is why don't you come to the sets and watch? Simple as that. You'll know what happened on the sets. It's absolute fun all the time. We are always running around poking fun at each other, cracking jokes. It's a very childlike atmosphere on the sets. We are always having fun non-stop." He added, "When you read something about rips and fights, it's good for entertainment. They say they have heard a rumor. I say when you heard a rumor, that will be a rumor because it's only a rumor. A rumor is an answer to your question itself." Sudhanshu Pandey plays the character of Vanraj in the popular serial Anupama. Due to the same, the actor has often been a target of trolls. Addressing the trolls, Sudhanshu said, "I have never met anybody like that who has been mean to me, but the trolling online through Instagram or Twitter has been there in abundance. I feel it's a part and parcel of my job, and if they stop trolling me, then I will get worried because that means I am not doing my job right. So it's important that I get such sort of reactions from them because that is what makes the whole show dramatic and creates a lot of curiosity and interest regarding the behavioral pattern of Vanraj." The television show Anupama has continued to win over people's heart across India. Owing to its popularity, the serial at present enjoys the privilege of being the top ranked serial in India. With the highest TRP rating, all credit goes to the massive fan base of the show. For the unversed, the show revolves around the life of a homemaker Anupama, whose struggles and sacrifices for her family are often neglected as she is considered a mere housewife. The plot of the story has received immense love from the viewers, making it a super hit.